On Tuesday, former State Senator Michael McCaffrey will be confirmed by the Rhode Island State Senate as a district court judge. I've been talking about this since May of last year, and there is nothing you can do about it. Your calls will fall on deaf ears. You can threaten to vote against your senator in the next election. They will not care. The majority of senators will vote to confirm McCaffrey. The fix has been in for years. Michael McCaffrey served as a Rhode Island state senator for nearly 3 decades. He stepped down from the powerful number 2 position in the Senate expressly to become a district court judge. As a senator, McCaffrey was part of the leadership team that blocked every bill to codify Roe v. Wade into state law for over a decade. He also did everything in his power to prevent the passage of marriage equality. To my amazement, members of the Senate actually granted McCaffrey credit for the passage of both these bills, saying that despite his deeply held personal belief, he graciously allowed these bills to pass. What the fuck? McCaffrey was part of a pro-life effort to pass state laws to challenge and undermine reproductive rights, successfully passing the so-called partial birth abortion ban, a solution to a problem that doesn't exist, in 1997. In 1995, Michael McCaffrey voted against the LGBTQIA civil rights bill that offered equal protections in employment, housing, and access to public accommodations. In 1998, McCaffrey voted against the repeal of sodomy laws used to selectively criminalize gay and lesbian people. That same year, McCaffrey voted against hate crime legislation that recognized the pernicious nature of bias-motivated crimes. He essentially voted for hate crimes. In 2001, McCaffrey voted against expanding civil rights protections to people based on gender identity and expression. That same year, McCaffrey voted against providing health benefits to the domestic partners of state employees. McCaffrey has been routinely endorsed by the NRA and Rhode Island Right to Life and voted in alignment with the values of those groups. I should mention that McCaffrey is a Democrat and has the full support of Democratic senators and the wider Democratic Party in Rhode Island. With Democrats like these, who needs Republicans? McCaffrey, desperate to become a judge, just like his sister and brother-in-law, it's called nepotism, has said that he's evolved and that he even has family members who are part of the LGBTQIA plus community. McCaffrey spent nearly 3 decades legislatively abusing those family members. You can call your senator and ask them to vote against McCaffrey. With few exceptions, they will not listen to you. They care more about getting along in a corrupt Senate than about your opinion or your vote. Michael McCaffrey will become a district court judge on Tuesday. He will have a real impact on the lives of Rhode Islanders who appear before him. If you are a member of the LGBTQIA plus community, maybe he will give you a fair hearing. But given his history, can you be sure? Your senator, with few exceptions, cannot be trusted to make the right decision. My advice is run against them or find someone who will. It won't stop McCaffrey, but it might stop the next piece of shit former senator from becoming a judge. And remember this in the fall. Make sure your senator knows that you will be holding them accountable. Like I said, you can't stop McCaffrey on Tuesday. He will become a judge. But you can change the system if you're loud enough. And you can punish your senator if they vote for McCaffrey this fall if you act now to find someone to run against them. I love you, Rhode Island.